Hey guys, Dean Picker here. Let's get this lock opened up. It's a lock I got from Lebel yesterday. I opened it up. I picked it twice off camera. You know how that goes. When I get on camera, it gets camera shy. And I was watching BT Picker do it yesterday. He did it under 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Or 36 seconds, I think it was. Still pretty good timing. I mean, these locks like to talk. They crunch. It's like It's like a bowl of Rice Krispies in there. Snap, crackle, and pop. Rice Krispies. I know I'm goofy. I'm in a goofy mood today. See what we can do with this thing. Lighten up the tension. See if I can get a couple of these pins set by raking it. In there, pick. Pick. Do that a lot. Try to put this back in without dropping any pins. Like that. Alright. And it's open. Look at that. Whew. Let me see here. Finally got you open on camera, and we got the open. I can gut this. Is it ball bearing? Yeah, it's ball bearing. But we got the open. Well guys, until next time.